Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a link in Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account. To show you how to add a link in Mailchimp, I will first create a regular email as an example. Let's go directly to the design email step. Let's work with this free template, and here just first you can add a paragraph block in your email. Write your text, for example, click this link. Select the text part you want to turn into a link, just like that, and click on this link icon from the top. You can link to a web address, an email address, a phone number, a file to download, a survey, a landing page, or even an anchor on the same email. Let's link to a web address, link to google.com. Click. You can check between opening your link in a new tab or not, and after that click on save. And this is how to add. Let's preview this email live. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And this is how to add a link in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.